Hello and welcome. Okay, so a quick recap. If you know, I am in vacation now. I am in Greece, and before leaving to Greece, the guys from SunLu they reach out because they saw what we experience with the fake AliExpress SunLu filament selling, and they ask us if we want to test the new filament dryer. So we said yes, and they also provided some filament. So the idea was that we need to make a video before tomorrow. Tomorrow it's 1st of July, because in July they have a big sale thanks to their 12th anniversary. So I said, okay, I will take this box with me in the holiday to make this video, because maybe there are someone in our community that want to see if they want to purchase this filament dryer or not, and it will be a great opportunity to buy it at a discount. So without further ado, let's jump into this video, and I will try to open the box. It's a big box, it's quite heavy. The weight it's a little bit in to the bottom. It says, I think 12 kilos, something like this. Hope that we have good audio, because okay. So here we have a filler box. Okay. So we also have two spools of filament. What filament is this? This is PLA plus 2.0 black, and a spool of PACF. Nice. Okay, so we have two extra spools. I didn't know that. Okay. Okay, let me put this here. So it's like this. Okay. This looks very nice. Okay, I want to thank to my wife, because even though it's late now, it's 11 o'clock. She took the baby for a walk, so I can film this. I tried to make to film this today, but the HDMI cable wasn't long enough, so I think we have, let me see how this is magnetic. I can remove it. Okay, it's on hinge and it's also magnetic. the lid. Okay, let me see if the rollers, yes, they spin very, very, very smooth. This is a tray that I think you put that. One of the reasons that I accepted this, and not that I accepted, this is one of the reasons that I wanted this, is that with the use of this tray, you can also anneal some parts, because this filament dryer is rated to 110 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. And I know that this is a revised. Okay, so we have here the plug. This we don't need it. We have gloves. Okay, we have a small SunLu catalog, some PTFE tube, and the manual. So this is the Filadryer E2, and it can dry 2 spools of filament. I don't know why I was thinking that it can dry 4 spools of filament, but this can dry 2 spools of filament, and it can heat up to 110 degrees. Let me see the specs. So you have presets. So you have PA. The preset for PA12 is 90 degrees. PA PC it's 80. I'll put some picture for reference, because I have only one camera, so you can see what I'm seeing here, but I can take my phone and so this is the lid that I was thinking about. The tray, sorry, this is the tray, and it's very stiff, meaty. Okay, and here you can put the 2 spools. Hot air, do not touch, air intake. And we have something here, but I don't know where it is. We'll see it. And this is the lid that is very, and you can because I saw this, I was thinking that is 4 spools of filament, but there are only 2, and you have multiples way to get out the filament tube from here, 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 so you have 6 in total. So big thank you to SunLu for sending not only the filament dryer, but also 4 spools of ABS. It's more easy to open the provided spools, because they are here, they are handy. And also this is the PLA Plus, the 2.0 with the new spool. Let me show you the new spool. This is the new spool. Okay, and I will stop. Okay, I will open this PLA box. We have also a desiccant. I will remove the tray. It's moving. Okay, let me show you. It's like you can feel that it's like on a groove and is moving very fast. Okay, let's not waste any more time, and let me plug it. I have here a socket, and I also took with me, I bought this it's a thermometer. It's a cooking thermometer that it has probe so I can put it inside and see in real time the temperature. Let me see. Okay, so we have a fan, the display, here a logo, E2 logo, and here at the back we have the plug, and here it says maximum 110 Celsius. Okay, let me remove this protective film. And I will remove it in such a way so I can reuse it. Very satisfying. It is looking perfectly. I like that in the last 2 years, the big companies started to use high quality materials. Guys, let's admire a little bit this unit. (110°). The display. Here is the logo E2. Here is the plug. It looks like it's made to last. It's made from good quality material. It doesn't feel cheap. And let's see. Wow. This looks interesting. So we have, if you are an 80 kid, you know the Night Rider. And it's a little bit noisy, but you can hear it, the fan. Okay. So we can set the temperature. Let's see the maximum temperature. What is the maximum temperature? Okay, I will set it to 100 degrees. Now it's 40 inside. And wow, it's very fast. I will put the tray and I will put this thermometer here inside. And now it says it was at 25. Now it's already at 30 degrees. 29, sorry, 31. But it's heating very, very fast. I don't know. Let's see if we can see how many watts it's pulling, because it's heating very fast. I think we can read here the 325 watts. Okay, so it says here we are already at 45 degrees, very fast, and you can feel the heat when I open the lid. Okay, so there will be links. Okay, there will be links into the description if you want to visit SunLu website and say thank you to them for supporting us. I will have affiliate links in the description if you want to buy this, but also we will have some coupon codes with lots of discount, and now they have a big sale, and if I remember good, you can buy a spool of filament for $9, and I really like. I use a lot of SunLu ABS filament for prototyping because it's cheap and it's all the time it has the same uh, properties. So for the I I don't like that they don't have a lot of colors, but if you want to stick to black, natural, red, and I think also blue, but gray for sure. They have a yellow fluo, but you don't find it every day. We are at 64 degrees already. Okay, so if you don't want crazy colors and you want to stick with the gray, black, and natural, they have very good quality ABS and it's cheap. 67 degrees, very fast. I want to see, I set here a timer at 100 degrees, and I want to see because I set the filament dryer to 100, and it says that now it's at 59, and I can measure 69. Let's see if it will be an overshoot. Also, it depends where it has the thermistors. We are already at 70 degrees. And here it says that we are at 61. So it's a difference of 10 degrees, but it's heating very fast. So I want to, again, to say thank you to each and everyone that you support us through YouTube membership or on Printables, and we release a lot of we will release a lot of new mods for your favorite 3D printer. So you have also links in the description if you want to continue supporting us. Thank you. I think it's a good idea when I will open to use the gloves because it's already at 75 degrees and I don't want to burn myself. Even that I have some sunscreen on my back, but I don't want to burn myself. These gloves, they are they are very elastic. Even that I have a big hand, I can still use them. But I think I put it backwards. $78 degrees. Yes, they are a little bit smaller than they should be, but no worries. It's getting hot here. 79. Inside it's 69. So the 10 degrees, it's still the difference that what I am measuring with this cooking thermometer and what is showing on the display. Let's see. Stop. I think it needs to see my hand. Stop. Okay. But I really like this LED. Okay, so 82 degrees. And here it's 71. Oops. I don't know, but I think by mistake I hit this. Okay, so this is at 84 degrees. And here we are at 74. I will try to count when I'm editing this video to see how many minutes it took. So we are at 23 minutes from where we started this video. So I think it's very, very fast. Wow. Now it went down 3 degrees. It was at 83. Now it's at 81. 80, 81. Here inside it's at 72. But I really love the quality. And even that this is showing 81 degrees and the display is showing 72 degrees. I don't feel the heat at all. I don't know how they managed to do this. Here, because it's open to take this cable out for the thermometer, you can feel that it's escaping a little bit of hot air, but other than that, nothing. Okay, so if you are searching for high-end, good-looking, and it's not that big, it's the space that it takes. This here there are 4 spool of filament, so it's like 5 spool of filament in I don't have a ruler with me. 25, it's like 30 centimeters. I'll put if I will find measurements, I'll put them. And also you have space for desiccant. You can dry your desiccant as well. You can set temperature, timer, and also you can use a relative humidity. Let me see. Now the relative humidity is at 10% because there is nothing inside there. And I think that you can set so you can leave this on, and wherever the humidity is increasing, it will start automatically to keep the humidity at preset level. Okay, so we have the dimensions. The dimensions are 400 by 220 by 307, and the internal dimension are 372 but 192 but 2 by 255. And you can put 1 kilogram spool, one of 2 kilogram or one of 3 kilogram spool. In total, it can go from 35 to 110 degrees. It's 10% plus minus the accuracy. The time range is from 0 to 99 hours, and it consumes 2.2 amps at 230 volts or 4.2 at 120 volt. Standby it's less than 1 watt, and you can put 1.75, 2.85 or 3 millimeters of filament, so it's very versatile. We are at 91 degrees, guys. 91 degrees. And it's very hot. Okay. So we are at 93 degrees on this, and here onto the display it says that we are at 85 degrees. So the overshoot now it's less, 93, 85, so it's 8 degrees. This is showing, yes, the 7 degrees, because this is showing 93 and this now is showing 87. So 6 degrees difference between what we measure with the probe and what is showing on the display. So I said that the difference, now this it went at 95, and here we are at 88. So the difference between the two measurements, it's a little bit smaller now. So again, thank you to each and every one. Thank you to SunLu. Thank you. Also, I want to say thank you to AliExpress, because they send us the money back from that seller that wanted to scam us. So we are 96, sorry, and here we are at 90 degrees. So 6 degrees difference between what we did with this thermometer. This is a cooking thermometer, also it is magnetic. But so now we are at 31 minutes since we start this video, and we are already at 90 degrees. So I think it's for a dryer, for a big dryer, because it's big, is heating very fast. And to be honest, I really like the quality and how it looks. And I I like that the rollers inside, they are moving very freely and smooth. 99 degrees, one more degree until we will hit the 100 and it will start the beeper. Here we are at 95, so 4 degrees difference now. Okay. Okay, so we are at 100 degrees. Let me stop the beeper. We are at 100 degrees and let's see here we are at 95. So it's 5 degrees difference between the two. Okay, 4 degrees. Yes, this is very, very good. So you saw it's hitting very fast, it's accurate, the overshoot, it's very good. We are at 101 on this, and here now we are at 97. So and it's not increasing anymore. This is very good because I remember showing on my Tech Fun video that with the beta units it was a small inconvenient. It wasn't something, it wasn't that, and I am glad that they fixed this and now it's spot on. I want to say thank you to each and every one. I want to say thank you to SunLu, thank you to our members, thank you to each and every one, and happy printing, and see you in the next one. I'm very happy with the results, and if you want to say thank you to SunLu because they are supporting us, you can use the affiliate link in the description. And let's see now that we are at 102 degrees. Okay, so in this side, when it's fully closed, nothing. On this side, because it was a little bit open to release the air, you can feel the heat, but you can still put your hand. And on the outside, you can feel the heat, but I can keep my hand without feeling that I don't think that is more than 40 degrees outside. So this is a good sign. Let me stop this. We are at 99. Let me make a video so you can see. Okay, so here it says 103 degrees. And here on the display we are at 99 degrees. Now it's 98, 99. Okay, so I think this is a success because only 2 or 3 degrees difference. This is very good. And also I think it's a good way to show you what it was, the probe. But I think here it was the probe. I will close this because it's very, very hot. So again, thank you to each and every one. Thank you to SunLu. Thank you. Also, I want to say thank you to AliExpress because they send us the money back from that seller that wanted to scam us.